Hey there, year 11s. We're going to look at example 11e, or question 11e from 13a. Exercise 13a is about working with indices. Here we have a problem with lots of pronumerals and variables here to work with. And the first thing I would look out for is continuing and separating just the bases. In this case, I've got three different bases here. I've got all the a's, I've got all the B's, and then I've also got all the C's. So in my mind, the first thing that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to collect just the A's first. So in my mind, that's a to the power of 2n minus 1, and you're dividing by a to the power of n minus 3. Now remember, when you're dividing indices, you will be subtracting the powers. So in this case, I would have wrote a to the power of 2n minus 1 minus, because it's subtraction, and keep in mind to use the brackets here. This is probably where students make a mistake, that it's minusing both the n and the negative 3. So I put the brackets to remind ourselves that it's minus of the n and minus of the negative 3. If you don't put in the brackets, you may make that mistake. Okay, and then you multiply with b, same thing. It's to the power 3 minus again, keep the brackets to 2 minus n, multiplied c to the power of, again, 1 minus n minus, and brackets, 2 minus 2n. Okay, so you can see I've broken up all the bases, and I just used index law number 2 to simplify that. Now we're all about expanding and simplifying. So 2n minus 1 minus n minus 3 multiplied to b to the power 3 minus 2 plus n. I just realized that was plus 3 there. And that's plus n. And then times c to the power of 1 minus n minus 2 plus 2n. And so this all should simplify down to what? 2n minus n is n. And plus 2 multiplied to b to the power of 1 plus n multiplied to c to the power of negative n, so that's n, and then 1 minus 2 is negative 1. So that looks like that would be my answer there. If I were to write it, I would write a to the power of n plus 2 times b to the power of 1 plus n times c to the power of n minus 1.